Hi, and welcome to the upstairs at 1209 Spruce Street in Fountain Square, Indianapolis, 46203. You may think that upstairs is a strange place to start, but this is the part of this home that was most recently renovated, and this is one of my favorite rooms in the house. It has attic storage, knee-high walls, beautiful architecture, a nice big skylight. This room is approximately 26 by 23, very spacious, and this is one of the two upstairs bedrooms. Big walk-in closet with lots of built-in cabinetry. And then here's a little library or study or office nook in between the two bedrooms. This bedroom is also large, 14 by 12, with a large walk-in closet. Beautiful manufactured hardwood flooring. Nice neutral colors. White 6-panel doors. The bathroom has 2 sinks and a really nicely tiled step-in shower. So this is the upstairs at 1209 Spruce Street. For more information, call 317-752-8622. It is the 25th of August, and this home is on the market for $350,000. This is only the second day on the market. Here's the laundry room right at the base of the stairs. And then we've got a beautiful kitchen. The kitchen was renovated just prior to the current homeowners purchasing the home in 2016. It has nice stainless steel appliances, beautiful granite countertops, nice backsplash, plenty of cabinetry. This home was built in 1903, and it has really neat built-ins like that built-in pantry, and yet wonderful updates like this ceramic tile plank look floor. It's got a nice tiled shower downstairs. The downstairs bath is off the kitchen. Right here's the backyard. Nice big backyard. Nice big back porch, and a garage was recently started. We have neat rain barrels capturing the rain to use for your gardening purposes. The house doesn't have a basement, but it has a cellar. You have that beautiful architecture and charm, a Victorian turn-of-the-century home, but with updated manufactured hardwood flooring. Beautiful windows, a nice built-in hutch. This room is currently being used as the dining room. These are wood thermal windows. They are not original. They're high efficiency. These are pocket doors. This is the downstairs bedroom, which has a window, a closet, and a sitting room. Or this could be 2 bedrooms. I would use this as one nice large master suite. You have transoms above the doors for extra light. This room would probably be considered the living room. It has a gorgeous tile fireplace, turn-of-the-century tile. And then here, you've got the family room, which is currently being used as the only living area. Again, beautiful period tile in the fireplace. Neither of the fireplaces are code to operate, so you could put an unvented gas log in them. Gorgeous architecture above these pocket doors. Really nice to have these pocket doors. This one is just an archway. It's got the nice architecture. As in the case as many historic homes in the Fountain Square area, you have a proper foyer, and a big, beautiful porch. This is 1209 Spruce Street in Indianapolis, Indiana, 46203. And for more information, call 317-752-8622. Thanks for watching.